ay may ginger at soy sauce. Kaya ito, gagawa tayo ng sobrang sarap na steamed fish with a ginger leek sauce. Let's start cooking. This recipe is part of the Simpol Dishkarte cookbook. Now available in Lazada, Shopee, National Bookstore, and fully booked. Ito, napakasimple ng ating sistema nito. Meron akong Pampano, hindi Pampayes. Pampano siya. And season lang natin siya. Ito, marinate ko siya. Very important, before I marinate, lagyan natin siya ng palaman o pangtanggal to ng lansa. So, luya at sibuyas, kung walang pwede ding leeks dito sa loob. And I will just like season it with soy sauce. Today, I am using a very special kind of soy sauce. Ganda ng golden color niya because it is Golden Swan Japanese soy sauce. Yan. Diba? Plate natin, lipat ko yung aking isda. Just drizzle the excess marinade on top. And steam na tayo. Sobrang bilis lang. And I will make a very nice ginger sauce. Yung ginger sauce natin dito, sobrang versatile siya. Kasi hindi lang siya para sa ating fish. Kundi pwede mo din siya isiding for your siomai. Pwede mo din isiding sa inyong Hainanese chicken. Pwede din sa crabs, sa shrimp, at kung ano-ano pa. Just keep it in a jar and it's so delicious, I promise you. Grated ginger. Gamitin natin yung young ginger, no? Yung medyo very nice yellow, light yellow color para hindi siya mahibla. Leeks, chopped leeks. You can add more leeks if you want. And we will use golden Fiesta Canola Oil. Bakit importante yung canola oil? Because hindi siya nagsisebo, no? Even if you chill it. And for flavor, yung gagamitin ko ay konting patis for saltiness. And wow, sarap, all-purpose seasoning granules para sa linamnam. No? You can also add chilies here and pepper. Sobrang simple lang, ganyan lang siya. And turn on the heat. Hinay-hinay lang natin, hindi natin siya piprituhin. Low heat lang tayo to infuse the ginger and leek flavor into our oil. Cook lang natin siya. And sobrang linamnam nito. So ito, hindi natin pinapa-brown. No? We just want to cook our ginger and our leeks para, alam mo, hindi siya mapanis. Luto na yung ating ginger leek oil. So delicious ito siya. Ito kahit sa rice lang to, sobrang sarap. And I will just finish my ginger leek oil or ginger leek sauce with UFC Black Pepper. Yan, it's done. So perfect. Discarded time. And this is the simplest way, kasi simple tayo, simplest way to check if our fish is cooked. Open. And hindi tayo gagamit ng thermometer, kundi barbecue stick. Ito lang siya. Look for the thickest part of your fish. At tusukin mo. Pag diretso siya, luto na siya. Pag lumalaban pa siya, hilaw pa siya. No? Because once the fish is cooked, di ba nag-flake? Lumalambot yung meat. Ibig sabihin, pag dumiretso na tong aking barbecue stick, luto na siya. So, hilaw pa. Let it cook for another 5 minutes and hopefully it will be done. Second try natin, tingnan natin kung luto na yung ating fish. Yan, look at that. Ang ganda, no? Yung ating steam has also created a beautiful sauce on the side. And, tusok, bone yan, bone. Oh, diretso siya. Immediately, effortless, natusok siya up to umabot sa plate. Ibig sabihin, lutong-luto na yung ating isda. And ito na ating isda. So, delicious. It's delicious. Yan. Luto na yung ating fish. And our sauce, you have the option of putting it on top. Simple version to. Wala na tayong ibang gagawin. And garnish natin ng ating pwede coriander, wansoy. Ito leeks yung gamit ko. Very nice. Very healthy and very flavored. Tikman natin yung ating sauce. Oh my God. It's heaven. And this is our delicious recipe for today's steamed fish with our ginger leek sauce. Simple!